Hi students, Chris Spangler here, Career Development Coach at Herzing University. I've been getting questions from students and graduates on how to be most effective when emailing your resume and cover letter to a job application. If you find yourself in this position, follow these 5 steps. Step 1, make sure that you are following the job posting instructions. Step 2, use a strategic email subject line. 3, make sure you remain formal. 4, follow a file naming convention for your resume and cover letter and any additional attachments. And finally, step 5, make sure that you proofread and then proofread again for good measure. Job seekers who understand the importance of following instructions, communicating strategically, and paying attention to the details are those who will put themselves in the best position towards gaining that interview. Best of luck to you.